Hey boys and girls, we are going to do a letter sorting activity today using your name. Are you excited? Okay, so here's what I did. I put all of my students' names on sticky notes, and you can see behind me, I have our alphabet. So starting over here is A through G, then I have H through N over here, O through U, and then V through Z right here because I couldn't fit them all on one piece of paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a name. You are going to help me put it in the right category, okay, with the right letter. So let's start with this first one. This first one is Emanuel. What is the beginning letter in Emmanuel's name? What is this letter? E. So I'm going to come find the letter E and put Emmanuel's name here. We're sorting our name today based on the beginning letter. Okay? Bailey. What is the beginning letter for Bailey? B. So I'm going to go find letter B and put Miss Bailey's name here. Okay. Emmerly, what do you see at the beginning of Emmerly's name? E. So I'm going to add Emmerly underneath Emanuel. All right, here's my next one. Stella, what do you see at the beginning of Stella's name? What letter? S. So I'm going to come find S and put Miss Stella's name here. Okay. What do you see at the beginning of Kaylynn's name? A K. So I'm going to find my letter K and put Kaylynn's name here. All right, let's look at our next one. Mila. What do you see at the beginning of Mila? M. So I'm going to find letter M and put Miss Mila's name here. Okay. What about this one? Micah. What do you see at the beginning of Micah? Another M. So I'm going to put Micah's name under letter M too. Okay. What do you see here? This is Sophia. What's at the beginning of Sophia? An S. So I'm going to find letter S and put Sophia's name. All right, what do we see here? This is Grady. Grady starts with what letter? G. So I'm going to find G and put Grady's name under G. All right. What do you see here? This is Caden. What is at the beginning of Caden's name? The letter K. So I'm going to find the letter K and put Caden's name here. All right, here's our next one. What do you see? Jaden. What does Jaden start with? A J. So I'm going to find letter J and put Jaden's name. Okay. This is Sophia. What do you see at the beginning of Sophia? An S. We have two Sophias in our class. So I'm going to add Sophia's name here. Okay. What do you see here? This is Brittany. What do you see at the beginning of Brittany? What letter? B. So I'm going to go find B and put Brittany's name. Okay. This is Malaya. What do you see at the beginning of Malaya? What letter? M. So I'm going to go find letter M and put Malaya's name. Okay. Looky here. This is Dylan. What's at the beginning of Dylan's name? What letter? D. So I'm going to go find D and put Dylan. Okay. This is Eileen. What is at the beginning of Eileen's name? What is this letter? E. So I'm going to go find E and put Eileen's name. All right. This is Kaylynn. What's at the beginning of Kaylynn's name? The letter K. So I'm going to go find letter K and put Kaylynn. Abel. What do you see at the beginning of Abel's name? What letter is that? A. So I'm going to find letter A and put Abel. This is Lofton. What letter do you see at the beginning of Lofton's name? Letter L. Letter L. So I'm going to find letter L. Okay. This is Cruz. What do you see at the beginning of Cruz? What letter? K. So I'm going to find letter K again and put Cruz's name. This is Bella. What do you see at the beginning of Bella's name? The letter B. So I'm going to find letter B and put Miss Bella. And here's our last one. This is Ethan. What do you see at the beginning of Ethan's name? What letter? A. So I'm going to add Ethan to A. Now, boys and girls, look at our letter graphs of our names. Let's look and see. We have 1, 2 under A, 1, 2, 3 people under the letter B. Nobody has the letter C. 1 person under D, 1, 2, 3 under letter E, none under letter F, 1 under letter G, none on H and I. We have 1 on J. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on letter K, 1 on letter L, 1, 2, 3 on letter M, no N's. No O, no P, no Q, no R. We have 1, 2, 3 on letter S. No T or U. No V, W, X, Y, or Z. So let's look. Who has the most? Which letter has the most people? I see lots that have 3, but look here. Letter K has 1, 2, 3, 4. So my letter K people, you are the most in our class. So boys and girls, we worked today by sorting our names based on our letters because you have been working so hard on your letters and sounds, and I wanted to do this fun activity with you today. I'll see you tomorrow, my friends.